up there is our homework. Please be honest with yourself. Pause the video, write your homework, then play the video, because I'm going to explain the answers for this homework. For now, pause the video, write your homework, then compare the answers with my answers. Right? So, let's do the homework. I'm going to use this part of the board. And for this A, we have 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3. They are like terms, so we have root 3 there. So it's 4 plus 2, 6 root 3 minus root 48, it's 16 times 3. So this is equal to 6 root 3 minus root 16 times root 3. So this becomes 6 root 3 minus 4 root 3. So it's 6 minus 4. They are now like 6 minus 4 is 2 root 3. That's our part A answer. Then part B. Okay? Part B. But if I'm too fast, you can pause, watch your part, the part that you want, play, pause, play. Right? Moving on to part B, we have root 125. It's 25 times 5 plus root 150. It's 25 times 6. So it's root 25 times root 5 plus root 25 times root 6. So it's now root 25, it's 5 root 5 plus 5 root 6. This cannot simplify further because these are not like terms. So we have simplified as far as possible. Root 5 and root 6 are not like terms. It's like we have 5x plus 5y. They cannot simplify further. Right? Then, number 2. We are rationalizing. Let me erase this part. Rationalize 2a. Rationalize 2 over root 3. Remember, we said when rationalizing, we are going to multiply by this over the same root there. So this times root 3 over root 3. Right. If you have watched my rational and irrational numbers in Surds lesson, for further elaboration there, you are going to search for that video, watch it, then you can now know how we are going about this. Right? We said to rationalize this, we are going to multiply by the denominator over denominator. It's just like we have multiplied by 1. So this becomes 2 times root 3 is 2 root 3 over root 3 times root 3 is 3. So it's now simplified. We have removed the root sign from the denominator. That's rationalizing. Right? Then part B. 2b, it's rationalize 2 over 4 minus root 3. Right. We said we multiply this by the conjugate. Right? The conjugate of this is 4 plus root 3. So we are going to multiply by the conjugate 4 plus root 3 over 4 plus root 3 times this minus 4 root 3 minus root 3 squared. Right? Then 8 plus 2 root 3. These two are like things. Plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3. It's the same. So we are now left with 16 minus root 3 squared. It's 3. So we have 8 plus 2 root 3 over 16 minus 3, 13. So we can leave it like this or factorize the numerator. So 2, 4 plus root 3 over 18. So we've rationalized that fraction. Then, if we have reached this far watching our video, it means it has made sense to you. It's helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel so that you get to be notified whenever I post a new video. Right? Remember, I'm doing lesson by lesson, topic by topic. After every lesson, I give a homework. Then we revise that homework together. We move on to the next topic. So if you have a topic of your own that you want us, that you want me to make a video on, please comment with your topic in the comment section. Just type your topic in the comment section. Right. We are now moving on to number 3. Expand as far as possible. Right. We are going to expand as far as possible. A 2 root 2 plus root 3 squared. So means we are multiplying this bracket by itself. So it's root 2 plus root 3 times root 2 plus root 3. So we break one bracket. This root 2 multiplies this bracket. Root 2 plus root 3. And this also multiplies the bracket. Root 2 plus root 3. So root 2 times root 2 is root 2 plus root 2 root 3 plus root 3 root 2 plus root 3 root 3. now have 1 minus root 2 minus root 2. It's minus 2 root 2 plus root 2 squared, it's 2. So we now have 1 plus 2, it's 3 minus 2 root 2. We have simplified as far as possible. So if you find our videos helpful, please search for any topic that you may want us to make a video on. Come to our comment section with your topic and we will be there for you. I'll make a video explaining all the basics of that particular topic. So please